There are many best stand mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. Sebri 3IN 1 Electric Stand Mixer. 6.5 QD Bowl 660W 10-speed kitchen mixer. Household food mixers include dough hook, beater, and whisk. The Sebri stand mixer is a versatile kitchen companion designed to simplify all your baking and cooking tasks. Powered by a durable DC motor, it delivers strong and consistent performance for mixing, kneading, and whisking with ease. Featuring 10 speed settings plus a pulse function, it offers precise control for everything from gentle stirring to high-speed blending, making it perfect for cakes, bread, cookies, pastries, muffins, waffles, and more. Its tilt-head design allows quick access to the bowl, while detachable stainless steel bowls and accessories make cleaning fast and hassle-free. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, the bowl and attachments are corrosion-resistant, durable, and safe for preparing healthy meals. Combining stylish design with reliable performance, this mixer is ideal for beginners and experienced bakers alike. It also makes a thoughtful gift for family and friends, backed by responsive 24/7 customer support for complete peace of mind. Key benefits: saves time and effort. The powerful DC motor and 10-speed settings make mixing, kneading, and whisking faster and more efficient, reducing manual work. Versatile for everyday baking. Easily prepares cake batter, bread dough, cookies, pastries, muffins, waffles, whipped cream. Number 2. Kenmore Elite Bowl Lift Stand Mixer. Professional electric batidor to pie. For baking heavy-duty countertop kitchen appliance with 5 and 6 QT stainless steel bowls, flat beater, whisk dough. Upgrade your baking experience with this bowl lift stand mixer, designed to deliver professional performance in your home kitchen. Equipped with a powerful motor and durable metal housing, it effortlessly handles everything from light cake batters to dense bread and pizza dough. The large 5 and 6 QT stainless steel bowls provide ample capacity for preparing family meals, holiday baking, or party-sized batches. Featuring 10-speed digital controls, this mixer offers precise mixing for every recipe, while the included flat beater, wire whisk, and dough hook provide exceptional versatility. Dishwasher-safe attachments make cleanup quick and convenient, saving you valuable time after baking. Its sleek countertop design complements any modern kitchen while ensuring long-lasting durability. Key benefits: handles large batches with ease. The spacious 5 and 6 QT stainless steel bowls and powerful motor make it ideal for preparing family-sized meals, party treats, and bulk baking. Precision mixing for every recipe. With 10-speed digital controls and versatile attachments, you can achieve perfect results for whipping, mixing, and kneading every time. Number 3. Anand Stand Mixer. 6.5 QD 10-speed tilt-head electric stand mixer. 3 in 1 kitchen mixer with bowl, dough hook, whisk, and beater make baking effortless with the Anand 6.5 QD stand mixer, designed for powerful performance and everyday convenience. Featuring a durable pure copper motor, 10-speed control, and advanced 3D planetary mixing technology, it delivers thorough, consistent mixing for cakes, bread, pizza dough, cookies, pastries, and more. The spacious 6.5 QD stainless steel bowl is perfect for family-sized recipes, while the one-touch tilt-head design allows easy access for adding ingredients. A splash guard helps keep your kitchen clean, and anti-slip suction feet provide excellent stability during operation. Operating at less than 60 dB, this mixer ensures a quieter cooking experience, while overheating protection enhances long-term durability. Key benefits: powerful and consistent mixing. The pure copper motor, 10-speed control, and 3D planetary mixing technology ensure smooth, even mixing for everything from whipped cream to heavy bread dough. Quiet, safe, and easy to use. Low noise operation, overheating protection, anti-slip suction feet, and a one-touch tilt-head design provide a safer, more convenient, and enjoyable baking experience. Number 4. Chemex Stand Mixer. For 0.2 QD plus 5.3 QD2 bowls electric food mixer. 10 speeds with digital setting 3IN. 1 kitchen mixer for baking, cakes, cookie, bread, salad. Simplify your baking with the Chemex Stand Mixer, featuring 4.2 QD and 5.3 QD stainless steel nesting bowls for maximum convenience and space-saving storage. Powered by a high-performance pure copper motor, this mixer offers 10 speed settings plus a pulse function, making it ideal for mixing bread dough, cake batter, whipped cream, meringues, cookies, and more. The modern digital timer provides precise control, while the durable ABS housing ensures long-lasting reliability. Dishwasher-safe accessories, including the dough hook, flat beater, and stainless steel whisk, make cleanup quick and effortless after every use. Designed for quiet operation and everyday performance, this versatile stand mixer is perfect for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts. Key benefits. Dual bowl convenience. Includes 4.2 QD and 5.3 QD stainless steel nesting bowls, allowing you to prepare multiple recipes efficiently while saving valuable storage space. Powerful, quiet, and easy to clean. The pure copper motor, 10-speed control with pulse function, low noise operation, and dishwasher-safe attachments deliver reliable performance with minimal cleanup. Number 5. Eve Snack Coater compatible with KitchenAid Bowlless Stand Mixer. Chocolate coating attachment for freeze-dried strawberries, almonds, pistachios, and nuts. Expand your stand mixer's capabilities with this premium snack coater attachment, designed to compatibility with KitchenAid Bowlless Stand Mixers. Capable of coating 2 to 3 kilograms for 0.4 to 6.6 pounds of nuts, dried fruits, gummies, and chocolate per batch. It makes creating delicious homemade treats quick and effortless. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability, safety, and long-lasting performance. Cleanup is simple. Warm any leftover chocolate, scrape it away, and wash the coater by hand or in the dishwasher for added convenience. Key benefits. Create large batches with ease. Coat 2 to 3 kilograms, 4.4 to 6.6 pounds of nuts, dried fruits, gummies, and chocolates in one batch, making it perfect for home parties or small batch production. Durable, easy to clean, and food safe. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, this snack coater is built for long-lasting use, dishwasher safe, and designed for safe food preparation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.